ang Converge Titan assistant coach Gerson Cabiltes opted to explore more scoring options in the latest huddle. Half-court offense naman ang gusto niyang subukan this time around as he says, we need to open the driving lanes for Josh and see if that will be effective.
Ang Titan pero can't get anything going right so far. 3-point play opportunity pa to.
Look at the way they make that pass. Look at the way they go for their entry pass to run their offense. It's faster right now. That is why the defense was not able to react. Zone, ang feeling niya, all right, this is my time. There are plays that is being run for me, and I'll prove to you that I'm still the best scorer for this team.
5 points in total para kay Monzon. Sumang with a second three.
Now they're trying to push that drop.
Tongkap. Nahanap si Williams. Mikey scored 11 in the first half. Di masyado nagambag ng third. Ayun naman, nakakuha niya yung anggulo ng layup. Titan can't make a dent. Kung hindi 29, 31 nagiging lamang ng Converge. Nice pass, Monzon over to Ola.
So kita mo, nag-iba na itong direction ng opensa ng Titan Ultra.
Yun yung pinaka-dangerous weapon mo nga, di ba? Si Joshua. As a 3 ball is delivered.
Very good start for the Road Warriors.
Steal here by Caralipio. And they will reward the big man for running the floor. Sabi ko nga.
Tama na. Giant Pandas!
Ayun, Giant. Sabi sa'yo, may panda dun eh. Justin Baltasar coming off a timeout. Trying to make up for lost time here, Coach RG.
Kailangan niya, 5 puntos pa lamang na yabang dyan. Samantala, ito naman si...
One GDL.
Kasi yan ang gusto niya ngayon eh.
Over to the other side. Concepcion knocks home a 3.
12 puntos kanina. Tingnan natin kung mainit pa rin ang kanyang pagbabalik.
Put back. Pasok. Para kay Dami Contapay. 5 minutes away from Converge, going 1-0. Ayun, naka-top court finish na si MJ.
Baseball pass by Archie Concepcion to the streaking MJ Garcia for another basket. For Converge, only 16 for Titan Ultra.
Tran off the glass. He's got a dozen.
Maganda rin naman talaga yung bang malapit ka sa G's. Ang hirap habulin kasi yan eh. Kung 2 points ka lang, for example.
But this time, inilagay naman. Pero the rest of the squad, may kailangan isip-isipin din. Ano?
Tsaka gusto mo rin naman talaga is...
may kailangan isip-isipin din. Ano?
Tsaka gusto mo rin naman talaga is... makakompete ka, di ba? We are playing in the PBA. This is the professional level already. Childhood dream mo yan eh, di ba? Na makatapak sa PBA.
Usually conscious effort na yan eh.
Naku naman yan, no, niluwa pa yung tira ni Aris. So, samantala, ito na. Ayun! Hinigo, papasok!
Demente now with 9 points, career high. As we hit the 2-minute warning, last 2 minutes na ito atin sa atin ng Sports Plus. Natin kung si Clemente habulin yung double digits. Si Juan gusto talaga yung big man. Lipalam gets his basket. And look at that bench of Converge. Ayan si Juan, siya tinawag para mag-pick and roll.
Can you imagine, pwede niyang sabihin ha? Ayan, tignan natin kung madadagdagan. Ayun! Back to back!
Lipalam for 3, Lipalam 5.
Beses mo masasabi na 5 points ako, si Juan 2 lang.
Di ba?
Di ba? Pero
score niya.
ilan assist na si Juan? Yun ang tanong dyan. 10!
One conference in, last conference pa lang, delikado na to. Ngayon, ganito nakikita natin, mukhang mas lalalim ang kampanya nila.
And the best thing that they saw